Hello everyone, welcome to the hardcore test site. This 25 kilowatts 144V PMSM system, paired with a dedicated gearbox and a 144V105AH high-capacity battery, delivers top-tier power and range, built for high-intensity scenarios. Watch the test equipment monitor in real time. Stable 144V high voltage input, 25 kilowatts power transmitted efficiently through the gearbox with zero loss and speed, torque data meeting standards throughout. The battery provides consistent output, and the entire system operates smoothly with no abnormalities. Workshop testing confirms its robust quality. This high-power PMSM system's test performance is impressive. Curious about compatible scenarios, peak performance, or detailed specs? Leave a comment below and I will answer your question.